Hello adventurers, in this video I'll discuss the best credit cards for 18-year-olds with no credit in 2023. With so many alternatives, I've looked into the best cards and chosen my favourite 5. You'll avoid making some decision-making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is never easy. There are lots of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one will be better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you'll find out about 5 credit cards that are good for 18-year-olds, and instead of choosing between 50, you'll have to choose between 5 only. Okay, let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 5, there is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. For people with fair credit, the Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a good choice. Additionally, there are no foreign transaction fees and a $0 yearly fee. The fact that it also allows customers to increase their credit limit after making on-time payments for as little as 6 months, maybe it's its most distinctive feature for many. Average credit holders typically have smaller credit limits, so having access to a larger credit line may be advantageous for both your credit score and your finances. Here are the pros. Qualify with average credit. No annual fee. No foreign transaction fee, and increase credit lines as possible in as little as 6 months. And now for the cons. It has a very high variable APR. There's no rewards program. There's no welcome bonus or intro APR offer. Cash advance costs of 3%. Minimum of $10, no one-time offer, and high interest rates. It's great for people with average credit scores and people who don't particularly care about earning rewards and are more focused on building a credit score. It's not great for people who want to earn rewards and people who have excellent credit scores. Okay, let's focus on those rewards. You don't actually have rewards, but you have additional credit card advantages, which are to be automatically considered for a larger credit line in as little as 6 months with automatic credit line reviews. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you're insured by $0 in fraud liability. Emergency card services. If your credit card is lost or stolen, you may be able to obtain a replacement emergency card as well as a cash advance, pending the availability of credit. If you experienced identity theft, Mastercard ID Theft Protection is here to support you. Remember, there is no welcome bonus. The annual fee is 0%, and when it comes to the intro APR, there isn't any, but the regular APR 27.24% variable. There is no standard balance transfer fee for this card, and the foreign transaction fee is 0%. The credit score needed is average, which is considered between 630 and 689. And now at number 4, we have the Deserve EDU Mastercard for students. Students can get basic cashback returns, a few respectable features, and the chance to improve their credit without paying an annual fee or a deposit with the Deserve EDU Mastercard for students. Although it lacks the authority of a student card from a larger bank, it aims to be more technologically advanced and offers some of the convenience features that students may find helpful. Given that there are no application requirements for a social security number or credit history, and that there are no foreign transaction fees, the card can be a fantastic choice for international students. Here are the pros. There's no annual fee, and also there's no foreign transaction fees. Useful benefits like cell phone protection. It doesn't require a social security number to apply, allowing international students to qualify. There's no security deposit or co-signer is required. There's a refer a friend program, and qualify with limited or bad credit. And now for the cons. There's a 1% is the maximum cashback reward. Unusual welcome bonus is a higher APR, and there's fairly little rewards. But it is great for international college students and also people with a low credit score. It's not great for students who want more rewards. So let's focus on those rewards. You can get 1% cashback with this credit card on all of your purchases. After the deductions of returns, account fees, and interest charges, the total amount you spend is multiplied by 1% to determine your cashback after your billing period. Using your unique referral code, you can also recommend someone to Deserve and get $30 after their card has been activated. Statement credits are the preferred type of reward redemption. Once the level is reached, automated $25 reward statements are sent out. And now for the welcome bonus. It's additionally, after spending $500 throughout the first 3 payment cycles, a one-time offer of a 1-year Amazon Prime student is included on Deserve. The annual fee is 0%. There is no intro APR, but the regular APR is 20.99% variable. Balance transfer fee, it's included in the terms, and the foreign transaction fee is 0%. The credit score needed is limited or no credit, but the recommended one is 630 to 850, which is average to excellent. And number 3, we have the Discover It Student Chrome. The Discover It Student Chrome is a great option for students who enjoy eating out because it offers generous rewards and has no FICO credit history criteria. The card has no annual charge and offers plain, easy to understand benefits, making it a fantastic option for students. The Discover It Chrome for Students card is a wise choice if you're searching for a straightforward student cashback credit card and don't want to stress about remembering to activate spending categories. Gas stations and restaurants, including cafes, takeout, delivery and fast food, give you 2% cashback, which is a respectable reward percentage for a student card. At the end of your first year, Discover's Cashback Match program will double all of your earning. Here are the pros. There's no annual fee. There is an intro APR period. You can qualify with average credit. There's bonus categories. You earn rewards while building credit. Simple cashback reward structure, generation cashback match, and low interest APR offer on new purchases. And now for the cons. It's a difficult reward system. Low spending threshold for rewards with 2% cashback. Rewards are not as great as those offered by other student cards. It is great for students looking for a credit card with a straightforward reward structure. Students that are seeking more substantial cashback incentives at petrol stations and restaurants. It's not great for students who spend more than $1,000 per quarter at restaurants and gas stations, and it's not good for students who mind manually activating spending categories. Let's focus on the rewards. Cashback incentives of 2% cashback at petrol stations and restaurants and up to $1,000 in combined purchases per quarter and 1% cashback on all other transactions. Fast food, takeout, delivery and cafes are all considered to be restaurants. The Discover Chrome for Students card will double every cent of cashback you've accrued after your first year of card membership, so you'd receive twice as much. Rewards accumulated using the Discover It Student Chrome can be exchanged for any amount at any time. Rewards are accredited to the account even if the account is closed and they never expire. Statement credits, electronic transfers to a bank account, donations to particular organisations and redemptions for purchases at particular retailers are all possible redemption methods. And now, the welcome bonus is an offer only from Discover. Get unlimited cashback matching. At the end of your first year, Discover will automatically double all the cashback you've earned. Therefore, you can exchange $50 in cash for $100 or increase $100 to $200. There is no minimum or maximum prize amount, just a dollar for dollar match. The annual fee is 0%, and when it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% for 6 months. But the regular APR is 15.24% to 24.24% variable APR. The balance transfer fee is 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. There is no foreign transactions fee, and the credit score needed is fair to excellent, which is considered between 580 and 850. Coming in at number 2, there is the Capital One SavorOne Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card offers substantial reward potential for those who fully comprehend credit cards, credit and personal responsibility. Due to the lack of an annual fee and international transaction fees, the Capital One SavorOne Student Cash Returns Credit Card has adult cashback power and offers outstanding cashback rewards. It's a fantastic option for individuals just building their credit because it also includes a slew of beneficial advantages. Please be informed that to be eligible to apply, you must be a current student enrolled in higher education school. Here are the pros. Generous cash rewards for groceries, dining and entertainment. It doesn't charge recurring fees. There's no annual fee. And lack of foreign transaction fees. There's a fantastic cashback bonuses. And here are the cons. No low introductory APR, and there's limited bonus cashback reward categories. It's great for someone who wishes to enjoy dining and entertainment while earning substantial cashback benefits without having to pay an annual charge. It's also great for anyone who enjoys shopping abroad, since there are no import taxes. It's not great for people who don't go out a lot and don't dine out. Let's focus on the rewards. On qualified transactions made with the Capital One SavorOne Student Cash Rewards Card, rewards are automatically accumulated. An unlimited 3% cashback on restaurants, entertainment, popular streaming services and grocery stores, 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 8% cashback on Capital One entertainment purchases and tickets at Vivid Seats, and 1% cashback on all other transactions. Superstores like Target and Walmart are not considered to be grocery stores. Rewards accumulated with SavorOne Student do not expire for the duration of the account and can be used in a variety of ways, including as cash, gift cards, Amazon.com purchases, and PayPal purchases. Through CapitalOneTravel.com, you can also use your rewards towards travel. And now for the welcome bonus. It's spend $100 and receive $100 back in the first 3 months. The annual fee is 0%. And when it comes to the intro APR, there isn't any, but the regular APR is 16.49% to 26.49% variable APR. The balance transfer fee is $0 at this transfer APR, and there isn't a foreign transaction fee. The credit score needed is average, which is considered between 630 and 689. And in first place, we have the Discover It Student Cashback. With its significant cashback benefits and 0 annual charges, the Discover It Student Cashback is a unique creature among student cards. You may be able to qualify even if you have no credit history at all. The Discover It Student Cashback card is one of the best student credit cards available. The Discover It Student Cashback card can help people with weak credit histories establish credit while still giving them access to benefits like rotating cashback rewards and an introductory APR offer. It offers healthy but capped earnings in some categories of spending and an introductory APR on purchases. Above all, a card like this can assist children in developing sensible spending practices. Here are the pros. There's no annual fee. You can qualify with limited or bad credit. There's bonus categories. There's an intro APR period. Reports to the 3 major credit bureaus. High rewards on rotating spending categories and a potential for a large bonus in the first year with a cashback match. And now for the cons. There's a complicated rewards. Spending categories have to be manually activated. There's a low 1% base reward rate. The 5% cashback rate is limited to $1,500 per quarter in spending. It is great for students who are organised enough to activate the rotating spending categories each quarter, and also for students who don't have a high credit score. It's not great for students who don't want to activate the rotating spending categories each quarter and are likely to forget to do it. Let's focus on the rewards. With the Discover It Student Cashback card, cardholders can earn 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in recurring spending categories each quarter and unlimited 1% cashback on all other transactions. Rewards accumulated with the Discover It Student Cashback card are non-expiring and can be used as statement credits or deposits in any account at any time. Any unused reward sums will be credited to the account when it is cancelled or after 18 months of inactivity. And now for the welcome bonus. It's when the first year of card ownership is up. The Discover Cashback Match instantly doubles all points earned, so it would be wise to use up all your rewards as soon as you can. The annual fee is 0%, and when it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% for 6 months, but the regular APR is 15.24% to 24.24% variable APR. The balance transfer fee is 3%, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers, and the foreign transactions fee is 0. The credit score needed is average, which is considered between 630 and 689. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best credit cards for 18-year-olds in 2023. If you found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy credit building, use them wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.